Yeah, I'm cooking ramen noodles on top of my Sterno stove. I put a little piece of tin foil on top of the pot. There's my ramen noodles cooking. Got that little can of Sterno underneath. I've actually been running this for 3 minutes and 38 seconds right now. Well, you see. Because what happened was I thought I paused the video earlier. I actually stopped it completely. Then I had to start a new one. So this is the new one. So 3 minutes and 42 seconds we're into it. Four so far. 4 minutes, whatever. Quite close. And like I explained earlier, which you didn't see because I lost it, I put the ramen noodles or the GEKI. Let me show you something. I forgot to show you. This is actually called GEKI chili infused Asian noodles. I've had this before, and let me tell you, it's spicy. Oh, it's hot. It's not. It's pretty hot. It's pretty hot. So let's see what we got going here. We got any steam coming off of this thing yet? I don't see any. Let's try pausing this again. Well, we're still going here. And let's see, where are we at on time on this? 5 minutes, 39 seconds. Okay. Put the old tin foil back on. And we'll catch you in a minute. Let's give her a little stir. Let's see what this water's getting like here. Is it hot? Cold? Now it's warming up pretty good. We're getting there. Put the old tin foil back on. Be back in a minute. Video update. Let's see what we're looking like here. Boom. How many minutes are we into this baby? 7 minutes, 45 seconds. Are we burling or getting hot yet? Let's see. This is a cool little setup, I gotta admit. Oh yeah, it's getting hot now. It's getting hot. If you want to go back, I did another video on how to set this stove up. It's pretty easy. It's just it kind of comes folded together. You unfold it, and that's about it. You can use these Sterno cans. You can use the ones with the wicks. You can use an alcohol stove, which I have. I do have an alcohol stove, which is right here. I can get it out of the bag with one hand. Let's see. This thing I like too, yeah. Little alcohol stove here. Snuffer lid. Something fun to mess with, you know. Alright, we should be getting there right about now. Let's see. I'll be back in a minute. Well, it looks like we're done. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's steam coming off of this now. I don't know if the camera's picking that up or not. But noodles are soft. Water's hot. Now, I don't have it boiling right now because why do that? It'd be, you know, this is where you want it. This is nice and hot, eatable hot. See, the noodles are nice and soft, cooked up nice. set this down right here for a minute. Yeah, looking good. Looking good. Let's give her a little tasty poo-poo. I'm telling you, that is some good stuff. Try it out. GEKI? GEKI, I guess? Or GEKI, I don't know. I'm saying GEKI. Chili infused Asian noodles. Let's just say fiery hot chicken flavor. Yeah. Alright, so that's the little setup there, the Sterno folding stove. And I'll catch you on the next one. Hopefully I can get out and do some metal detecting. That's a long story. I haven't done a metal detecting video in a long time for a couple different reasons. But I did get a pretty bad injury. And I'm pretty well healed now. So anywho, Reef here is saying, have a good afternoon. Bye. See you on the next one. Oh, I never do say this. You know, leave me a comment, subscribe, give me a like. You know, this is the first time I ever said that. So I'll leave it at that. All right. Bye-bye.